The difference between being a good loft company and being the best is you, the customer. Others don't realise this, but we do. That is why we put a huge amount of energy into making sure your experience is simply the best. And this means respecting your time at all times, providing you with tailored solutions that precisely fit your needs, manifesting problem-solving capabilities that you'll be impressed with. We'll always get you the earliest install date available, and also we put you first above everything else. You'll have an experience that goes well beyond anything that you're used to. We call it the human service. Unparalleled loft experience. We've literally written a book on installation techniques and best practices, so rest assured we'll come up with the best solution for your loft needs. Our fitters are highly skilled carpenters, saying no to amateurs. Basically, nothing tops our loft service. Convenience is key. Living in such a busy world means you've always got something to do. That's why we'll always turn up when we say we will. Leave you with detailed plans so there's no ambiguity. Be flexible for you and manage everything for you so you may be tension-free. Protect your property throughout the duration of work. We'll even follow up with you 3 months and 12 months post-installation to check that everything is functioning as expected. We're proactively helpful to our customers. We're asbestos safe. Being trained in asbestos handling means that we know exactly where to look and confirm whether asbestos-containing materials are present. Samples of the suspect items are sent to a lab for testing, and results are provided to you regardless of the contents of the report. If we discover something during the completion of your work, we know how to handle the situation professionally and correctly. We know safety is paramount. Pre- and post-installation checks. Before the start of any project, our team will inspect the area around the installation site. This enables us to maintain the conditions of your property. Basically, we leave your home in the same way we found it. Top-notch installation features. We're proud of the attention to detail and quality of our workmanship, and know our customers are too. Some features we employ include staggering the loft floor boarding to increase its strength and increase load-bearing capacity, trimming and skirting to finish off the edges of your floor to eliminate splinters that are a safety hazard and to make it look great. No-nonsense quality control. We have even created our own digital quality control software to make sure your installation is signed off by senior management before we finish. This system allows us to run quality checks on 100% of installations, meaning you can have faith that the job is done perfectly from the get-go. We then ask you to review the work and provide feedback as well. We believe in absolute customer satisfaction. Did we mention our 5-year guarantee? We guarantee all of our work and the products we install for 5 years to come. You will also receive a certificate after the end of the installation to prove that. This is also transferable if you sell your property within the 5-year period of guarantee. If something does go wrong, we'll be straight round to put it right. A guarantee is a guarantee after all. We're COVID safe. At the beginning of the first lockdown, we were quick to implement a raft of measures to protect our customers and staff. Working with our health and safety advisors to adapt to a new style of working and interacting with customers. Those measures are still in place today. The pandemic has greatly affected our lives already. We do not let it affect the quality and capability of our work at all. We hope this has answered some of your important questions or concerns, and we look forward to getting to work in your loft, leaving you with an extremely useful storage space that not only looks great, but is easy to access too.